If your child is struggling with reading or just not quite clicking with letters and sounds, this could be the missing piece. Multisensory learning isn't just a buzzword. It's one of the most powerful ways to help early readers succeed. And when it's paired with structured literacy, that's where the real magic happens. Today I'm going to walk you through what multisensory learning is and how it supports structured literacy, and also how you can start using it today to support your child either at home or in the classroom. So let's start with the basics. Multisensory learning means using more than one sense: sight, sound, touch, and movement when teaching. Instead of just looking at a letter or hearing a sound, we bring in tracing, tapping, building, and even saying sounds out loud. And why do this? Because the brain actually learns better when it's fully engaged. Research shows that when multiple areas of the brain are activated at once, like when a child is seeing a letter, saying a sound, hearing it, and also tracing it, all of those neural pathways connect, and that builds a stronger memory and understanding. Now, this is especially helpful for struggling readers or kids with dyslexia, but the truth is, it actually helps every learner. Now let's talk about structured literacy, because that's the framework we build everything on. Structured literacy is systematic, it's explicit, and it's phonics-based. It teaches kids how written language works in a clear step-by-step way. But here's the thing, structured literacy isn't a one-size-fits-all, and that's where multisensory strategies come in. They make that structured instruction really stick, and they take all of those carefully planned lessons and make them click in a child's brain. Multisensory learning does a few really important things. It improves memory and retention. Kids remember what they do far more than what they just hear. It builds stronger sound-letter connections. Writing the letter B while saying B and tracing it in sand connects multiple brain systems at once. It keeps kids engaged. Little learners are built to move, so let's use that to our advantage. So whether your child is a hands-on learner, a visual learner, or a mover, you're speaking their language when you use multisensory techniques. Now let's look at some specific examples for you to try today. Number 1, tactile learning. This can be tracing letters in salt trays, on sandpaper, or in shaving cream, or using clay or pipe cleaners to build letters. Number 2, auditory learning. You can say the sound out loud as your child writes it, or use songs or rhymes to reinforce phonics rules. Number 3, kinesthetic learning. So arm tapping each sound in a word while blending, or skywriting letters using big arm motions in the air. Number 4, visual learning. You can color code vowel teams or consonant blends, or use flashcards with clear fonts and consistent color patterns. These are all examples of what multisensory instruction looks like in practice, and they align beautifully with structured literacy. So how do we bring this all together? Here's a simple 3-step framework. Step 1, start with a clear phonics goal. For example, today we're learning the sh sound. Step 2, teach it explicitly. Say the sound, show the letters, model how you write them, then connect them to words. Step 3, reinforce it all with multisensory activities. Trace the SH in a salt tray, build it with magnetic letters, and then read a decodable passage that uses lots of SH words. And the best part is you don't need any fancy tools, just a plan, a handful of basic materials, and a little creativity. And if you're thinking, okay, this sounds great, but I don't have time to piece this all together, that's exactly why I created the Active Readers Early Childhood Reading Curriculum. It's a printable, screen-free, multisensory reading curriculum built on structured literacy and designed for home or classroom use. Inside, you'll find a phonics-based workbook, multisensory flashcards, sound games and blending tools, decodable passages, and step-by-step teaching guides. There's no guesswork, no overwhelm, just a simple, proven way to help your child become a confident reader. You can learn more about it and grab it on my website, and you can also find it in the link below. Now, if you take one thing from this video, let it be this. The way we teach reading really matters, and when we teach with clarity, structure, and with multiple senses, we give every child a better shot at success. And you've got this, you're doing enough, and I'm here to help. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment or question for me below. I want to support you in any way that I can.